Hello and welcome to my channel Mathematics World. This is part 24 of the chapter Matrices and Determinants. So this will be the last part for this series. So let's start the video and solve some questions. So the first question is, for what values of x the points 2, minus 1, minus 3, 4 and x, 5 are collinear? Okay, we have to find out the value of x for which these 3 points, the given 3 points are collinear. So collinear means any 3 points, they will be collinear if they lie in a same line. So this 2, minus 1, minus 3, 4 and x, 5, they will be lying in a same line as these points are collinear. So you can write, you should know the meaning of collinear. Co means same and linear means line. Okay? So 3 points are said to be collinear if they lie along a same line. If they are lying in a same line, then those 3 points are collinear. So let us solve the question. Since the given points are collinear, therefore area of triangle formed by these 3 points that will be equal to 0. Because the points are lying in a same line, therefore the area of triangle which is formed by these 3 points, that will be 0. So now let us revise a concept that we have already studied. Let us say that if x1, y1, x2, y2, let us call this point A, B, and C point x3, y3, B, any 3 points, then area of triangle ABC, that will be equal to half of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Clear? You have to remember this result. Since if we are given any 3 points, then area of triangle formed by those 3 points, that is given by this formula, and this result can also be stated in terms of determinant as writing all the x coordinates in column 1, y coordinates in column 2, and column 3 will be 1, 1, 1. So you can express this formula in terms of determinant. So this is in terms of determinant. Clear? So you have to remember this result in order to solve such questions. So this is a important result that you have to remember. That if we are given any 3 points, fine, then if we have to find out area of triangle formed by those 3 points, that is given by this formula, and in terms of determinant it is equal to this. Or write all the x coordinates in column 1, all the y coordinates in column 2, and in your third column you have to write 1, 1, 1. Clear? So now coming back to our question, we are given that the given 3 points are collinear. It means the area of triangle formed by these 3 points, that will be equal to 0. So applying this result here, so you can write area of triangle formed by the given points is equal to 0. So let us use the formula that is in terms of determinant, writing all the x coordinates in your column 1, that is 2 minus 3x, 2 minus 3x, writing all the y coordinates in column 2, that is your minus 1, 4, 5, and you have to write simply 1, 1, 1 in your column 3. Now solving this determinant, by solving this determinant you have to find out the value of x, and this is what we have to find in our question. We have to find out the value of x for which the given 3 points are collinear. So let us solve this equation. So it's up to you, like from which column or along which row you have to expand. So I am expanding along column 1. So it is your 2 into 4 minus 5 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 5. Be cautious about the calculations while solving determinant, plus x into minus 1 minus 4, that is equals to 0, as I have expanded it along column C1. Expanding along column C1. So that is, this implies half of, solve करेंगे, minus 2 minus 18 minus 5x is equal to 0, which implies your minus 20 is minus 5x, that is equals to 0. This 2 will go here, so 2 into 0 is 0. So this implies your 5x is equals to minus 20, which implies 5x is equals to minus 20 upon 5, which implies your x is equal to minus 4. So thus, if your x is minus 4, then these given 3 points are collinear. That is, these points, they will lie in the same line. So this is a question that is based on applications of determinant. You have to remember this formula in order to find out the area of triangle ABC, where these points ABC are given to you. Clear? So this is the simplest way to remember this formula. Like, write all the x coordinates in column 1, y coordinates in column 2, and column 3 will be 1, 1, 1. Clear? And half जरूर इसके आगे add करना है आपने. So just simply you'll put all these values here and expand कर देंगे इस determinant को. We will get the area of triangle that is formed by the given points. Clear? So this is a very short trick. This is an important so I hope आपको ये question clear होगा. So now let's move on to our next question. So the next question is, find the equation of the line joining the point A 1, 3 and B 0, 0 using determinants. Clear? Firstly we have to find out the equation of the line joining these 2 points. Especially mention किया है question में that using determinants we have to find out the equation of the line which is joining these 2 points, and then find the value of k if d k, 0 is a point such that you are given that area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. So firstly हम सॉल्व करेंगे अपने फर्स्ट पार्ट को. इस इक्वेशन के 2 पार्ट्स हैं, जिसमें सबसे पहले वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन जॉइनिंग द पॉइंट्स ए एंड बी यूजिंग डिटर्मिनेंट्स. सो फर्स्टली हम इक्वेशन फाइंड करेंगे उस लाइन की. तो लेट अस सपोज दैट पी एक्स कॉमा वाई बी एनी पॉइंट लाइन on line A B. So I'm just telling you, suppose ये मेरे पास point A है, ये point B है. हमने suppose किया कि P कोई भी एक point है x, y, वो lie कर रहा है AB line के ऊपर. It means that point A, P and B, they are collinear. So you can say this implies that point A, P and B are collinear. So अभी हम पीछे लास्ट क्वेश्चन में करके हटे हैं that if 3 points are collinear then the area of triangle formed by those 3 points that is equal to 0. So हम लास्ट क्वेश्चन में करके हटे हैं that if the points A, P, B are collinear then area of triangle APB that is equal to 0. So let us apply this result and use determinants की फॉर्म में जो हमने फॉर्मूला पढ़ा था एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल कैलकुलेट करने का, राइटिंग ऑल द एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट्स in one line. So that is your suppose your this is x 1 and 0, this is y 3 and 0, and third is your 1 1 1. Clear? So now let us expand it. expand कर देते हैं हम इसको. So it will be half, तो उधर जी जाके 0 हो जाएगा, x into 3 minus 0 minus y into 1 minus 0 plus 0. यहाँ से चेक करेंगे हम 1. यहाँ अगर आप 1 के अलोंग एक्सपैंड करेंगे, इसीलिए 0 लिखा है क्योंकि 1 के अलोंग जब हम एक्सपैंड करेंगे इट विल बी 1 into 0 minus 3 into 0. So 0 minus 0 into 1, that is equal to 0. So this implies your 3x minus y, that is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line that is joining the points A and B. So first part हमने इस question का कर लिया. And one thing to note here is that we have find out this equation using the concept of determinants. Clear? So now let's move on to our next part. Next part is that we have to find out the value of this constant k if dk comma 0 is a point such that area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. Clear? So now since अब क्वेश्चन में ही हमें जो गिवन है उसको यूज करेंगे. सिंस गिवन अ पॉइंट dk comma 0 such that area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. So this implies, let us apply the result that we have already done. A point D point है हमारे पास K, उसके सबके x coordinates लिखेंगे. A is your 1,3, उसका x coordinate 1, and B point is 0. This is your 0, 3, 0 and 1 1 1, that is equals to plus minus 3. जब भी हमें एरिया दिया होता है किसी ट्राइंगल का तो उस डिटर्मिनेंट को हम उस केस में हम एरिया की पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वैल्यूज दोनों कंसीडर करते हैं कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए. सो दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू नोट हियर. वैसे एरिया हमेशा एक पॉजिटिव क्वांटिटी होता है, बट व्हेन इन द क्वेश्चन वी आर प्रोवाइडेड एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल, देन if we are applying this result, then in that case we have to consider both positive and negative value of area. So this is half of, you can expand it, k के along expand कर लेते हैं हम. So हमारे पास इसके along करेंगे तो plus में minus plus. So this is your 3 into k minus 0. 3 into k minus 0. So that is equals to your plus minus 3, which implies that 3k is equal to plus minus 6, which implies your k is equal to plus minus 2. So this is the value of k for which जिसके लिए हमें provided था that area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. So I hope this question is clear to you. The most important thing is to remember this result. Determinants की form में आपको area of triangle अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए कि कैसे निकालना है. So I've already told you it's very simple to learn. Half of determinant में write all the x coordinates in your column 1, all the y coordinates in column 2, and write 1 1 1 in your column 3, and equate it इक्वल टू, इफ यू आर गिवन द एरिया तो आप उस एरिया के इक्वल इक्वेट कर दीजिए. अगर आपको गिवन है कि वो तीनों पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर हैं तो आप उसका एरिया 0 के इक्वल इक्वेट कर दीजिए. अगर सिंपली आपको एरिया फाइंड करना है तो इस डिटर्मिनेंट को एक्सपेंड करिए एंड फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट एरिया. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. वी विल मीट इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो विद अ न्यू सीरीज. तब तक के लिए स्टे पॉजिटिव, स्टे हैप्पी एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड.